is inside ourselves. It's the drama of the capacity to stand and the weight that is pulling you to the ground. This tension is like the basic drama of our life. Yeah? So the capacity to stand, which makes us human somehow. Yeah? So in thousands, millions of years from a position like this, we came up to this exciting position where all the weight is just on these two little spots that we call feet. So let's become aware about this drama, that you have a capacity to stand, that your skeleton is built like this, that actually you need just very little muscular tension to stay in this position. Side to the other, and go up to the moment, and just start from here. Start to risk the moment of keeping equilibrium, with the risk also to lose it. That you consciously can see where is the moment where you can't hold it anymore, or where you have to react. Yeah. Still too sweaty?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come a bit closer. We try to make a circle and to sit on each other's knees. Okay, very important is that we are close enough, not too close. Yeah, not too close. And then if possible, don't talk. Just try to communicate with weight. When we look at theatre in this context, I think there is something very interesting to look at. That in theatre, mostly people look for situations where a character, a person, somehow gets out of balance. For the stage, it's not so interesting to look at people that are stable, that have a clear
established situation in their life, but we are very interested in looking at people that somehow get out of balance. So if you look at most of the dramas, most of the performances, they deal with people who get out of balance. Yeah? The tragedy, Greek tragedy, is defined as the story about somebody who was in a quite high position and who fall. Yeah, that's the classical definition of the tragedy. In comedy, the funny thing is if somebody gets out of balance, if somebody is going and you feel already, now he's falling again. Chaplin. Chaplin is the archetype of the comedian that is constantly struggling also to get balance back again. Yeah? Then the dancer, or the dance, it doesn't have to be only the dance on stage, but the dancing actually is this interesting game that we play of losing balance and catching ourselves again. Yeah? Dancing with the partner is losing balance, but we hold the partner. Yeah? So for both sides, for the people that are doing it and for the people that are watching at it, it's obviously something that moves us strongly if the stability is in risk. Yeah? And then there is just a big difference between a quite cruel voyeurism that really just wants to see the blood. Yeah? So the Roman circus, where you throw somebody into the lions, just see. Or these kind of reality shows that we have today, where you want to see how they hit each other and how things really get out of balance completely. I also suggest that you don't look up to